Hi everybody, my name is Tiffany Hammer. I am a Norwex independent sales consultant. I have told you all about these amazing products, and now I'm here to tell you how to take care of them. Super easy. You wash them in the washer, you dry them in the dryer. There are only 3 rules. First rule, do not use bleach. This will degrade the fibers. Second rule, no fabric softeners or dryer sheets. This will coat the fibers so the microfibers and the backlog technology cannot do their jobs. And 3, do not wash with high lint items like plush towels, socks, because these will coat the fibers and that lint will stick to them. You want to make sure you are using a biodegradable, all-natural laundry detergent. All those other laundry detergent has so many added chemicals, fragrances, dyes, and those will harm your fibers. Use our earth-friendly Norwex laundry detergent. Sorry, the sun's kind of glaring it out there. Both our liquid and our powder are USDA certified, bio-based, and has no dyes, fillers, phosphates, chlorine, fragrances, or brighteners. So they will not harm you, your clothes. They'll keep not only your microfibers lasting as long as they possibly can, but your clothes as well. All these laundry detergents with all these added fragrances and dyes are damaging our clothes, so they aren't lasting as long as they should. The price is deceiving in this bag, but you can use way less than what you would use with any other laundry detergent. So only 1 teaspoon per load in a high efficiency washer is all you need. Only 30 mLs per load. Just 1 small scoop of our laundry detergent will do a medium load. So if you break it down, that's only 31 cents a load, which is super cheap and awesome. I'll show you a little demonstration. So here's Tide. It's blue, very strong smelling, very strong odor, smells good, but obviously there's multiple added fragrances and dyes in here. Very cloudy. There's so many added chemicals, dyes, fragrances that is not needed in laundry detergent. Here is Norwex laundry detergent. You can see right through it. It's completely clear. Yes, there's soap in here. I'll shake it up. You can see all this soap floating around there. It's bubbly. This laundry detergent is amazing. It's all natural. I feel completely safe using it on my clothes. If you think about it, you're using this laundry detergent on your clothes and you're wearing them. It's getting in your pores and in your skin. A lot of people with allergies will break out with certain laundry detergents, and that's why, because there's so many added things that are not needed. Same with dogs. I'm a registered veterinary technician. We get a lot of dogs that people can't figure out what they're allergic to. And it all links back to the laundry detergent that they're using on their sheets and their beds and their blankets and their dog stuff. So Norwex, there's nothing but natural products in here that is able to wash your clothes and make them bright and clean. This laundry detergent is included in your Safe Haven package. So in your Safe Haven package, you get the EnviroCloth, the window cloth, the dusting mitt, the cleaning paste, and the laundry detergent. So with those 5 products, you can clean 90% of your home. It's such a great way to start to transforming your home to Norwex. I also use this as an all-purpose cleaner. So I use it on my carpet, my furniture, my leathers, my fabric cleaner, everything I use this on. So I have no other carpet cleaner anymore. I used to use Resolve. This all-purpose cleaner works so much better and is so much cheaper than Resolve. Resolve is so expensive, and you're not adding all those chemicals on your floors. Another thing Norwex sells that is one of my top sellers, and I love, is the dryer balls. Dryer sheets are actually one of the most toxic things in your homes that no one knows about. If you think about it, they're flat and they're stiff and they're hard when you first put them in the dryer, and then they come out soft and fluffy like a tissue. And that's because all of those chemicals and fragrances are now in your clothes, and then you're soaking them in your skin and in your pores. And I have used dryer sheets all of my life, and they're outrageous and expensive, and I go through them like crazy, and now it scares me to death to think of all those added chemicals I have been adding by wearing my clothes. And then now the dryer balls, they are reusable, and I no longer have to buy dryer sheets anymore. Some people do complain because they don't get the fragrance that they get from dryer sheets. So what I do is I just add a couple drops of essential oils on my balls, whether it's lemon, lavender, thieves. I've done them all. Purification's really good. And you get a nice fresh smell. This does decrease your drying time dramatically. So I hate washing my comforter because I have to dry it like 2 or 3 times at least. And then I'm going to bed and I pull my comforter out of the dryer and it's still not dry. So the first time I used my dryer balls with my comforter, 1 time in the dryer and it is dried. And I have a king size comforter and you all know how big of a pain in the butt it is to wash and dry those. 1 time and it is dry with my dryer balls. It was amazing and I loved it. So they decrease your drying time, help with static, and it helps fluff up your clothes and separate them. They are made of wool, so if you're allergic to wool, make sure you purchase the plastic one. It's a safe plastic dryer ball. And also, let me go over the microfiber laundry booster because I love, love, love the laundry booster. For those stubborn stains and odors in your microfibers or any other laundry, can be very extremely hard to remove, especially if you have hard water, which we do. So our enzyme-based laundry booster restores dingy, smelly laundry to bright, clean, and fresh without any chemicals from bleach, ammonia, and synthetic fragrances. You can soak it before washing. You can just throw it in your regular washer. It gets out urine stains, grass stains, grease stains. I've used it on everything. I have a baby who used to have a ton of blowouts. We're kind of past that stage, but this was a lifesaver, let me tell you. I would throw it in my sink with a scoop of booster, scoop of laundry detergent, and that stain would be out before I would even ever wash it. So these products are really, really great. I highly, highly suggest if you purchase any microfibers, you are purchasing Norwex's laundry detergent. Even if you don't use it on all of your laundry, I at least use it on your Norwex products. What I do is I go through and I just grab all of my Norwex products every couple weeks as I need to, and I throw them all in the washer together and use a laundry detergent. That way I know I am not accidentally adding any Highland items in with them. I make sure I'm using the best laundry detergent possible. I know people who have had their microfibers for up to 10 years, and that is because of how they take such good care of them. So please, I highly suggest to purchase a laundry detergent. If you can't this time, make sure you are using a biodegradable all-natural laundry detergent. If you guys have any questions about any of these products, just comment on the video below, and thank you so much for watching.